to survival is performance and agility with a balance of armor. Nap of the Earth flight is essential. To unmask, locate, and engage targets will determine ultimate mission success, and a small, highly maneuverable helicopter is best suited to these tactics. This is Hughes Helicopters, the world's only helicopter and ordnance manufacturer. Hughes substantiates design characteristics through extensive testing. Desert, Arctic, fatigue, vibration, stress, service life, flight envelope verification are representative of the in-house capabilities. Combat survivability is the keynote of our helicopters. Ask the crew of this AH-64 from the 17th Cavalry, forced into the trees by enemy action. They were able to keep their helicopter airborne and return 20 miles to base camp. A joint effort with the Department of Defense has produced the world's quietest helicopter by reducing helicopter noise levels up to 90%. Our low-Q, all-metal insulation is a breakthrough in control of thermal conductivity. It has recently been employed in a number of successful infrared suppression programs. The advanced aerial scout prototype demonstrated the growth capabilities in the Hughes design approach, provided major technical stepping stones to the AAH. Included in this effort was the development of a third-generation FLIR by Hughes, with more than 1,000 hours of operational time in an AH-64 to support this design concept. Hughes is the only helicopter manufacturer in the world with an in-house ordnance capability. Speed systems, 7.62, 20, 30, 40 millimeter gun systems. Rocket and missile systems. Current efforts include development of a 30 millimeter gun system for the AX, a chain gun for the AAH, and a new lockless gun and ammunition concept. Hughes understands firepower and its integration into airborne systems. The Hughes AAH brings together in a single advanced system the benefits of these 30 years of aircraft and ordnance experience. The helicopter's unique flight characteristics provide significant advantages in target acquisition and engagement during day, night, and adverse weather conditions. Its ease of air transportability ensures that our AAH will accompany the troops in the initial engagement, and our emphasis on reliability and maintainability will assure that the AAH will live in the field with the frontline units it supports. Hughes AAH.